Introduction. Welcome back to FinancialFreedomFlix, where we empower you to take control of your finances and build a secure future. I'm Wajji, and in today's video, we're going to explore key strategies for financial success. Segment 1. Budgeting Basics. First up, let's talk about the foundation of financial health, budgeting. Creating a budget is like having a roadmap for your money. Identify your income, track your expenses, and allocate funds wisely to meet your financial goals. Segment 2. Smart Saving Techniques. Now that we've nailed down budgeting, let's delve into saving strategies. Discover ways to cut unnecessary expenses, automate your savings, and build that emergency fund. Saving money isn't just a good habit, it's a powerful financial security blanket. Segment 3. Introduction to Investing. Now, let's shift our focus to the world of investing. Learn the basics of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Understand risk tolerance and discover how investing can grow your wealth over time. Spoiler alert, it's not as complicated as it may seem. Segment 4. Navigating Debt Responsibly. Not all debt is created equal. We'll discuss strategies for managing and reducing debt responsibly. From credit cards to student loans, understanding how to navigate debt is crucial for your financial well-being. Segment 5. Building Long-Term Wealth. In our final segment, we'll tie everything together. Explore long-term wealth-building strategies, including retirement planning and passive income streams. It's never too early or too late to start building a financial legacy. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us today on Financial Freedom Flix. I hope you found these insights valuable on your journey to financial success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Until next time, take care and make wise financial choices.